Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you buzz up and create wealth for yourself. So if you're new to my content or you're new on here, my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship and buzzing up. So if you're interested in all that type of content, be sure to hit the red subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube, or feel free to like my pages so you don't miss out on those videos when they do come out. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the best type of online business to start in 2021, okay, or 2020 and beyond. If you're a beginner out there thinking about starting, or you already have a business and you're looking into other investment opportunities, be sure to stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So I'm just looking at my phone because I actually have a question here that someone asked me. Hey girl, I love your content. I just wanted to ask you, I'm thinking about starting my online business, but I'm not sure whether to start a boutique or to start an online course. So this was a question that someone actually sent to me on Instagram. They want to start an online business, but they're not sure which one to start. So I wanted to do this video that actually inspired this video, and I wanted to just quickly talk about the pros and cons, which one I recommend moving forward for anyone who wants to start an online business right now. People always ask me if it's best to sell digital products or physical products. Now, as someone who's doing both, I have a boutique where I sell physical products, but I also have an academy where I sell my courses and I sell my ebooks and templates and all that good stuff. So this is really not biased because I'm doing both, so I can tell you guys firsthand, share my experience firsthand, and tell you guys what is the most profitable for me. If you were to ask me, right, I'll tell you what's the most profitable and why it's more profitable than the other, right? So I'm going to be sharing, you know, what I recommend to you guys as the most profitable online business to start right now in 2020 and beyond. In 2021, if you're planning for 2021, you know, moving forward, you should really consider this option moving forward. Okay, if I were to start over again and you were to ask me what's the best to start, physical products or digital products, personally, like I always say, I would say go with what resonates best with you. My boutique is not as profitable as my online courses. I'm just going to be honest. Why? Because it's probably going to cost me, let's say, 10 bucks, right? Let's say to buy this blazer, it's probably going to cost me 10 bucks overhead cost, right? And then what I now need to do is resell that for 2 to 3 times the price. If I'm reselling that for 30 pounds, normally you think, okay, she's going to make a profit of 20 pounds. Easy, right? But now you have to factor the cost of shipping this product to the customer, which is another good 4 to 5 pounds just to ship this product out. Packaging, okay, packaging is money. All those flyers, all those business cards you're putting in that package, you may think is nothing, it's money, right? And then think about your time that you have to actually spend packaging those orders and then doing those post office errands to post them out. The money you're spending on fuel is sucking up your profits. So before you know it, you're actually only left with something like 10 bucks. Not 20 bucks, right? Because there's all these extras that need to be covered as well. So when you're selling physical products, a lot of your money is tied up on things like overheads and all those extra expenses, right? A lot of shipments are being delayed right now, especially for me. My customers are having to wait longer to get their products because of everything that's going on right now. It's taking longer for my wholesale vendors to ship products out to me as well because of everything that's going on right now. So there's delays in business. If you have some skills or expertise, something that you feel others will benefit from, you should really think about converting that into an online course or writing an ebook. Why? Because it's actually easier to scale. You don't need a lot of money to invest on any inventory. You don't have to deal with any shipping, any fulfillment of orders. You don't have to package orders. You don't have to leave your house, especially now with COVID-19. You don't have to worry about shipping times being delayed with everything that's going on right now. Sit at home. Take a camera. In fact, you don't need to show your face, right? You can literally just screen record your computer, create a PowerPoint presentation. You don't even have to show your face if you're camera shy, right? Record all that content, right? Have a mic, voiceover, very easy to do, guys. Like, you don't even need a mic. You can literally use the microphone on your laptop, depending on how powerful it is, of course, because you want people to actually hear what you're saying, right? So my point is, it's easier to create and sell digital products. And once you have that online course created or you have that ebook created, guess what? You can literally just upload that on your website. And every time someone buys that course, you don't have to physically do anything. They can just buy that course, access that course, and only get in touch with you if they have any problems. It's a no-brainer, right? Likewise, an ebook, likewise a template, any digital product that you're selling that can be downloaded instantly online, right? For example, one of my courses right now is about $57. out of the $57, my profit is something like 50 bucks, right? If you take off the cost of, you know, Stripe fees and PayPal fees, I'm left with something like $50. That's a course that has been pre-created right there. It's only my knowledge that I've just put out there, and people are able to download that knowledge and replicate that knowledge, and I don't have to do anything extra but bring more and more people to my business. So this is, you know, where a lot of people get it wrong. They think because it's an online business, you're gonna get rich quick, you don't have to do any work. I'm out here creating videos because I'm trying to make more sales. I'm marketing myself. So you need to go out there and market yourself, market your business if you want to see any results, right? So I still market, but the only difference is with my digital businesses, I don't have to go anywhere and ship any orders, package any orders. I've created that course once, I've written that book once, I've created that template once, I've created that planner once, and millions of people in the world can come to my website, buy that plan, buy that course, buy that ebook, access it instantly because they're able to download it, and I sit back and I make money. So talking about profitability, I would definitely recommend digital products. Like I said, the only expense you have to pay is your PayPal fees, your Stripe fees, and you don't have to worry about inventory, right? You don't have to worry about going to the post office. You don't have to worry about your overhead costs. You don't have to worry about people coming back complaining that the products run small, right? I love my boutique. I love the process of running my boutique, but in terms of profitability, I definitely recommend digital products. And if you're thinking about starting an online business and you have a skill and expertise, look at your CV, anything that you feel others could benefit from, any knowledge. There's people out there teaching other people how to sew, how to crochet, and they're making 6 figures a year. Right? So don't underestimate your skills, guys. Don't underestimate your knowledge, your expertise. Find out how you can help other people by creating a course, you know, writing a book. In fact, go to Amazon KDP right now and see the type of books that are being sold there. You will be shocked that people are actually buying certain books out there because people need that knowledge. Everybody wants to learn something, and you have knowledge out there that someone's looking for. So why waste it by keeping it to yourself, right? Just take that first step and go out there and create that course, write that book. And if you guys, you know, if you're someone who's like, I don't even know how to write a book, I don't even know how to create an online course, guess what? Funnelpire is a platform that can help you do all of that. Funnelpire brings you all the done for you ebooks, templates, everything that you need to build your digital business right now. So if you want to start your own digital based business, head over to www.funnelpire.com. You get access to ebooks that have been done for you, ready for you to rebrand and resell as your own and keep 100% profits. You can brand yourself as the author, you can change the covers, there's online courses, you can get your own sales funnel done for you. Everything is literally done for you. You don't have to go out there and struggle with any complex stuff, guys. So if you want to sell digital products online, head over to www.funnelpire.com. Gain access to all this done for your products and get your online business up and running in literally minutes, okay? So I hope you guys found this video useful. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comments down below. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!